Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to change group name on Facebook. As you can see, my current group name is Loversland. Now I'm gonna change these names, and now I'm scrolling down to the left side and now click on group settings, and you have to click on this pencil icon behind the name and description. And here we can see my current group name is Loversland, and here showing up Loversland, and now I'm changing it to Crazy Friends. And now I'm clicking on save, and this group's name has been updated. Now let's go to group page, and here we can see my name has been changed. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.